Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2019 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Come see the car for yourself.